Music world mourns reggae pioneer Jimmy Cliff. Cause of death and final message revealed. The international music community is mourning the loss of Jimmy Cliff, the legendary reggae artist who helped bring Jamaican music to global audiences. The iconic singer and songwriter passed away Tuesday at 81, with his family confirming he died from natural causes following age-related decline. In their statement, Cliff's family shared that his final words reflected his lifelong optimism and belief in music's unifying power. Keep the rhythm alive in your hearts and never stop singing truth to power. The message has resonated deeply with fans and fellow musicians worldwide. Cliff's career breakthrough came with his starring role in the groundbreaking 1972 film The Harder They Come, which introduced reggae music to international audiences. The film's soundtrack, featuring his performances of enduring classics like You Can Get It If You Really Want and the title track, became an international sensation and established Cliff as one of reggae's first global ambassadors. Over his 6-decade career, Cliff built a reputation as both a musical innovator and a social activist. His songs blended infectious melodies with powerful messages about social justice, spirituality, and human resilience. This unique combination earned him widespread critical acclaim and a dedicated international following. The Jamaican-born artist continued to create relevant music throughout his life, winning a Grammy Award in 2012 for his album Rebirth and receiving induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 2010. His ability to evolve while staying true to his musical roots kept his sound fresh and meaningful across generations. Fellow musicians have been paying tribute to Cliff's enduring influence. Jimmy opened doors for all Jamaican artists who followed, noted reggae star Ziggy Marley. He showed the world that our music had universal appeal and important messages to share. Beyond his musical achievements, Cliff was known for his philanthropic work in Jamaica and his advocacy for environmental causes and social justice. He established educational programs for young musicians and supported numerous charitable initiatives throughout his career. The Cliff family has requested privacy during this difficult time, while announcing that a celebration of his life and music will be held in Kingston later this month. His legacy continues through his timeless recordings and the countless artists he inspired with his unique voice and unwavering commitment to musical excellence.